besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button below and give this video a thumbs up. But if you're an OG subscriber, welcome back. So we're doing something very different on my channel today. Let's unbox this wig from WestKiss Hair. This is the popular Glueless Ready to Go Body Wave 5x7 HD lace closure wig in 22 inches with 250% density. And let me tell you, this hair is so soft and so bouncy. It comes pre-cut, pre-bleached and pre-plucked. Like, you literally don't have to do anything. Once you get this hair, you're just putting it on your head and you're ready to go out the door. The wig cap is very well structured. It comes with combs and elastic band that sits well on your head once you wear it, and you can easily adjust it from both sides. The both sides also come with combs, which helps keep your wig in the same position without shifting. Look at how bouncy. It also comes pre-curled. Like, they literally did every single thing for this wig. All you need to do is just wear it like I'm wearing it right now. So this is like the first test. I just want to see how the wig looks on my head, if it's sitting right, before we go into styling. Babes, like I said earlier, this is a glueless wig. You don't have to use any glue. Like, I literally just put the wig on my head and it is sitting. But you know, I just like to, style my hair up a bit. So let's quickly get into that. For the lace, because it's a bit too white, I'm going to use my powder on it just to like match it with my own skin tone. You don't necessarily have to do this if the lace blends with your skin once you get it. I also use a lace tint mousse, basically just to like give it a long lasting color, because obviously when I sweat, the powder is obviously gonna wash up, but with the lace tint, it's gonna be there. So you can see it looks almost the same color with my skin. So when you get your wig, it comes with some styling tools. I got the HD wig cap, 2 pieces. I also got a hair bonnet. I got a hairbrush. I got eyelashes. Oh my god. And I also got a melting band from WestKiss Hair. How cute is that? Okay. Next, I'm going to go in with my lace melt spray. I do this so my lace looks invisible to the eye, and literally just, melt the lace around my forehead so it looks like the hair is growing out of my scalp, basically. Then I use a melting band to hold down the hair for a few minutes. To lay my closure flat, I use a wax stick and I go in generously with the wax stick. I literally apply wax all over my closure so I can get that extra flat look once I use my hot comb. After laying my closure flat, I like to also sleek down the sides of my wig, so I use a straightener to achieve that look. So the ends are still curly and bouncy, but like the sides are very sleek, giving you this sophisticated and elegant baby girl look. Next, I like to go in with a little bit of my foundation, and using a concealer brush, I apply the foundation at the middle pattern or whatever pattern I'm creating, just to give it that illusion of looking like my skin, like my scalp basically. Taking out the band now, and my hair, oh, it looks so good. Everything just looks perfect. Lastly, I apply my macadamia nut oil just to give it this extra shine and lush feeling. I mean, at this point, it's safe to say my hair already looks bomb. Applying a little bit of powder on the lace to further blend it with my skin. And yeah, look at that hair. Look at how good it looks. Like, it is so lush. So I'm going to brush out the curls a bit. I'm using like a wide tooth comb to, brush out the curls and give it a little bit of extra fullness, basically. And if you're someone who doesn't really like that fullness, you can easily just use your fingers to curl your hair like this, so everything is in place. And I'm just giving a little shake test. You can see that wig is sitting, it is not moving anywhere. I also gave it a side pattern, and correct me if I'm wrong, this actually suits me better than the middle pattern. It's giving boss babe, it's giving don't talk to me, it's giving grown woman, cool girl, cutie, very demure vibes. Love it. All the details to this hair are linked in my description box. Thank you for watching this video. If you love this video, don't forget to click subscribe button below and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.